Call it give back to the community.
Night.
Give back to the community.
4 grand to 6, 5 grand to 6 on budget.
How long you last? Right, tomorrow come?
Till you come a Wednesday.
Why? I still like, differently.
Alright, go on home to your girlfriend. This is not the place for you.
I want to guys. Yeah, man. You look nice, eh?
Thanks.
How much?
Jesus.
No, you look kinda young. I mean, I just try to punish.
Sick.
I lie. You look good, man. I like. You know, look 360 now. Do me a
No, I don't do 360. I don't know for the maths.
Alright, just turn around for me. I'm still about you there.
Turn around.
Please and thanks. Come on, busy I do, you know. Talk to me. Hey, how much?
For 5 this is her.
5 grand with Ed?
Yeah.
This
Right
is
there.
our reception area.
They can park right
behind me. You'll see our
I'll park up.
dedicated customer services.
I'll park up down this and walk up down on the street.
Hi guys.
Oh, good door.
Follow me.
She look young.
Yeah, bro.
She actually look good. What are you doing?
She look like a good girl.
Yeah, what's she doing out here?
She look like a good girl. My number one fear is somebody seeing me before the video was to go out. I say, yo, Mr. Chad, do your BackRoad, you know? Damn.
Expose you, nigga. Yo, bro. You know that? Yo, bro. I thought you were raw, bro. I mean, what's with that backer?
What happened to my career?
Oh, you just dropped the video.
That's